Hey, friends of the farm, Chelsea O'Brien here, and I'm with, I want to call you Dan the Man.
Yeah.
Dan the Man, the foraging man. Dan is a new friend of the farm. He and his beautiful wife have been part of our community support agriculture program. But Dan, what do you love to do?
So I'm a big forager. I'm also a chef. I go by the outdoorsman chef, partially just because I'm outdoors all the time, either hunting, fishing, or foraging. So right behind us we have some autumn olives. That's going to be talk of our first class actually this weekend, and just talking about how we can identify autumn olives, what we're going to be making this weekend. So we're going to be making some fruit leathers for kids, as well as just have some juice for at-home jam making, whatever people prefer.
Amazing. So this is part of a series.
Yep.
Saturday's our first day. Say what the series is.
Yeah, so it's going to be the Autumn Harvest Series here at Clarkston Family Farm. We're so grateful that Chelsea is hosting us here.
I'm coming. I'm going to learn so much. We know that autumn olive is an invasive.
Yep.
I know that these and I actually love the way they taste. They're high in vitamin C.
High in vitamin C, and actually their seeds are also edible too. They're really high in omega-3s. So it's like
omega-3 fatty acids. Let's go. Good for your brain, you guys.
But I almost think they taste like kind of sour apricots when they're ripe.
So they have a tart taste. That little tannin there. That's that vitamin C.
Very high in tannins.
Oh my gosh. So a lot of people wouldn't even know these are edible, you guys. You are going to learn so much from Dan the Man and his wife Jen.
Yep.
We do have a few spots left, so don't wait.
No.
It's from 10 to 1. It's on Saturday, and it's one of 4 programs. You can do one, you can do all 4. I would recommend you do all 4. And guess what, Dan? You know that we love doing this with families, so Jen and Dan are only having you pay like for a family, like your whole family can come.
Yep.
So talk a little bit more about that, just so they understand how this works.
Yeah, so one family can just sign up and purchase a ticket to any one of these classes throughout the year. I think we're doing a bundle as well, so if you purchase all the classes, you will save a little bit. But yeah, any families, I think we didn't really have a limit, so any family of any size can really come and learn either just about autumn olives. We'll be talking about other things like canning, sourdough making, and butter making as well. So yeah, really just about preserving the fall harvest throughout the year, as well as just learning about like what's on your land, and how we can just utilize either invasive species or native species as well, just as really good wholesome food that people can get closer to.
So his wife's a teacher, Dan's a chef and a forager. You guys are going to learn so much, and it's going to be a ton of fun. So I will put the link to register, right like down below, and share with all your friends. Even if you can't come on Saturday, come on the next Saturday. So it's every Saturday starting this Saturday for the next 4 weeks. And this is the time, you guys, like all of our fruit and vegetables are coming in. There's so much that we can learn, and it's going to be just so much fun. I'm really excited, and very reasonably priced, you guys.
Yeah, we're really excited to see some new faces. And again, we're all just about knowledge here and just empowering people just to learn more about food and getting closer to their land and their community.
Have fun, be safe, think and learn and play.
Yep, thank you guys.
All right, see you on Saturday. Sign up quick.